Let's scrimmage. Let's get right into action. Alright.
So just what I said.
On a game of tramp, and whoever wins, they'll get a scooter.
Yeah, and from the last video, you saw me do the intro with that dude over there.
Alright, I'll go first.
Front foot.
Oh, I can't land right now. I'm
You gotta do the side flips. Ooh. Ooh, you landed front flip. I can't go on trampoline anymore because I almost broke my leg. Ooh, you got T.
I'm taking the ladder because I can't do that. What?
Alright guys, don't do anything yet. Cause I have a bug on my arm. Okay, go. Ooh, you're down. You're in big trouble, bro. As you guys could see that we're boss. Well, I'm boss. See? You guys seen that shoes. Ooh, you almost landed it.
I'm not in the mood right now.
It might look weird right there because it has like purple tape and over there. Cause I remember I fell out that hole and I landed right there. Alright, what did you do, Nathan?
I just did front foot swing.
Oh, nice. So I hope you guys like our channel, but it's not going to end right here.
TRA!
I hope we get like a lot of likes because the cameraman always wanted a YouTube channel since like he saw YouTube. So
You guys have to subscribe.
yeah, subscribe. If Nathan wins, you have to get, you have to do 100 likes. If John Dow wins, you have to do 100 likes too. So, you guys could hate all you want. We're just trying to have fun here. So, yeah. It came apart. It came apart.
Yeah, it was good.
Oh.
You know, professional. My trick, though.
Okay, I'm just moving back and forth. I know, like, the camera was, like, really bad to do. Like, I kept going like this. I know, people. I know it's making you mad. This is, like, the second video that we did. You guys gotta get 50 likes. Or you could do whatever, I don't care. Ooh, backflip. Oh, double backflip. Yeah. You gonna try it, Nathan?
No, I'm taking the ladder. I got TR. And then that's TRA. I'm about to do 2 front flips in a row.
Ooh, oh yeah, you landed it.
Alright, maybe just 1 front flip.
Yeah. So Yondo, you're gonna get TRAM.
What?
What's up?
Oh,
Okay, I call that as a count. Okay, it's my brother Nathan, and so I haven't introduced our names. So that guy right there that does backflips and front flips is Yondo, and this is my brother Nathan, and the cameraman is Alex, and Yondo has a weird girlfriend. Ooh. This might be weird, guys, because I have the scratch on my arm. Okay. Go. Can't do it because my leg kind of hurts, and it's like bruised a lot, and my shoulder hurts. I can't show you. Ooh. We're going to keep recording until it's over, or we might, like, tell you stuff. Okay? There's soccer ball over there.
So it's T right now, it's TRA. TRA.
TRA. So TRA.
I'm about to do a crisscross knee front flip.
Yondo, move.
Select.
So we all have words. Nathan's is facts. Nathan's is facts. Yondo's legitness, and mine's lit. So it looks like it's about to rain, and it's like real dark. Like it's dark as on like the thing. So we might have a tornado on. Ooh! TRA? TRA. TRAM, TRAM. Watch, Yondo's gonna lose. Oh! Oh crap. Sorry for screaming. I'm kind of sick though. Oh, backflip. You gonna try that? Alright, the last letter you only have to do front flips.
Now I got TRA. Hey, you went twice, computer. Well,
Where's Lord? Oh! Yondo's gonna lose! Yondo's gonna lose!
oh my goodness. I'll give you more time.
Yeah.
Hurry, because it's already. You know what?
So I hope you guys like this video, cause I've been really hoping. So you guys gotta do 100 likes, cause Nathan won. Well, sorry, it's raining, so we have to go. It's raining hard. I know it's not raining. Come on, we gotta play. Come on. Time for like this stuff. Crap. Okay, wait. Crap. Hold on, you guys might look at the wall. It's so sexy. Okay, it's starting to rain. People. Well, I have to get. Have you guys seen our scooters? This is what it looks like. And. Huh? I'm sorry, guys. It's starting to rain. See? So I'm going so slow. It's just out of my scooter. And it's duct tape. So, here's Nathan with you. And this is me.
Okay, we just went through a whole bunch of rain.
So sorry we had to kind of quit this video.
We're about to end this video.
So I hope you guys like this. And like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. We might do one tomorrow if you guys do like 50 likes. Now we'll get even more likes if we get like 100 likes. We're gonna say like 1,000. If you say 1,000, we're gonna give you free merch.
We don't have more merch yet.
We're gonna make it. Go.
If you are subscribed, we will make merch.
Yeah, we'll make merch. We'll try our best. So sorry we had to like pause the video because Nathan said it wasn't recording, so I got all freaked out. But when you might notice me, like my friend Lucas Sinna, I like to shout out to him. And why not? Nathan, who you like to shout out to? You like to shout out to yourself?
I like to shout out to Nathan.
So, hope you guys liked the video and subscribe. And like, we're gonna make even better videos tomorrow. Okay? So, peace out.
We'll give you free merches and make maybe Amazon cards.
So tomorrow, if you do 10 likes, and I know it's not that much, and you guys might like hate on us and roast us, but it's okay because I care about you. Oh, the bros. So tomorrow we're gonna play a game of Scoop. So we're gonna teleport
in the street over there. In 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Oh my god.
Oh gosh.
Yeah,
Dude,
that
that
worked, bro. Okay. So we're gonna do 5 likes. So I hope you guys liked the video. Peace out.